Finally, what we all been waiting for, Pixel 8 Pro unboxing experience is out, and you guys might be surprised, before the launch, we have our first unboxing of Pixel 8 Pro. It usually happens with the Pixel devices. Before the launch, we saw unboxing videos and unboxing pictures, and this time it's Pixel 8 Pro. This is the first unboxing experience of Pixel 8 Pro. We got two color options in these pictures. And the box of Pixel 8 Pro looks similar to what we have seen on the Pixel 7 Pro. What interesting is, Pixel 8 Pro glass back is now feature a matte finish and an extra temperature sensor. Pixel 8 Pro will going to come with the USB-C to USB-C cable and a USB-C connector. The front of the Pixel 8 Pro also looks identical to the Pixel 7 Pro. There is one difference. Pixel 8 Pro will going to come with the flat display. So a big downside for the people who loved curved display on the Pixel devices. Also, we have our first look at the Pixel 8 box, same as last year, but with the new color option, gray or green. Although we are going to see a flat display on the Pixel 8 Pro, but Google is going to give us the biggest update in the display. The smaller Pixel 8 will going to come with the 1080p 120Hz panel with the whopping 2000 nits of peak brightness, and Pixel 8 Pro will going to feature a Quad HD Plus 120Hz panel with the whopping 2400 nits of peak brightness, a lot more than last year, and the brightest display on any phone till date. For durability measures, Google is going to put a Victus 2 on Pixel 8 Pro. The performance on the Pixel 8 Pro is the biggest reason for one should update. We already got the numbers of Tensor Gen 3 and these looks promising. We got 30% performance boost on Pixel 8 Pro. It scores 1186 single-core score and 3809 multi-core score. And we are going to see a 12 gigs of RAM with 128 gigs base model up to 1 TB. The only concern for now is how Google will fix the power efficiency and heating issues on Pixel 8 Pro. There is no such power efficiency numbers on Pixel 8 Pro yet, and we are going to see the same battery numbers, a 5000 mAh battery with a 27 watt of fast charger. The software support for Pixel 8 Pro will make it all different from other Android phones. We are going to see 7 years of OS and security updates on the Pixel 8 Pro. It means 5 years of OS update and 2 years of additional security updates. Most on any phone, even more than Samsung and iPhone. Google will going to offer some great pre-order deals. If you pre-order Pixel 8 Pro, you will going to see a Pixel Watch for free. Just like last year, Google is set to launch Pixel 8 Pro on October 4th, and you can start pre-order the next day. If you guys want to see the 5 big changes in the Pixel 8 Pro, then you should watch this video, and I hope you guys are subscribed. I will see you next time. Till then, peace out.